Okay, so this is the video 3 of the belly dancer snack. Let's just get the Warda going. And miles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now disconnecting the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You stop. So please remember that when you are doing them, to really get a nice stretch on the side of your hip, because that loosens things up. And based on the technique of the Maya, right? If the way I like to teach, that you guys know, that the feet are flat to start with until everybody feels confident to use only the hip for this movement, and then you start to release the foot. So if you think this movement starts horizontal with your slide, right? Some sliding to the left, sliding to the right. So you can always start as if this is your warm-up. And then let's say you finish in here, you raise a little bit. So my heel is slightly going up, but I could do the same without lifting the heel. The only thing you need is you slide into one side. So I'm sliding to my left. My left gonna go fully straight, my knee, and my right leg goes bent. Yeah, so if I'm doing on the side, I go like that. This is a way of lifting that hip up. Same thing, I go to the other side, go to the right leg goes straight, and then the left knee goes bent. So that means the hip is going up, 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 up. So there is that motion that it goes up and down, and that it goes side to side. So breaking down, I slide to one side, I bend my opposite hip. So if I guide it with the direction, with the sides, I slide to the left, right? I bend my right, my left hip is up. I transfer my weight down to my right by raising up. When I say I'm raising up, the only thing I'm doing is literally doing, let me see further, doing this with my hip. Sorry, with my knees. Yeah? So I'm gonna go left, I drop the weight on the right by bending the right knee, I go to the right, I bend the left knee. I slide to the left, I bend the right knee, I go to my right, I bend the left knee. That's the motion that it goes like that. Yeah, creating that vertical figure of 8. So if I slide to my left, I'm bending the right. If I'm sliding to my right, I'm bending my left. And instead of only doing this, you really wait. Wait that the weight is full on the other side, and then you transfer the weight to the other side. Yeah. And some people really like to think that they are going down, like let's say as if you have like a water collector with the side of your hip. So I'm bending, I collect the water on your side, bending, I collect the water with the other side. Collect the water with one side, collect the water with the other side. Another